problems I am going to discuss now are to be placed after learning the definitions of gradient, divergence and curl. Here is a problem. Find gradient of phi when phi is given by phi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz. We know that gradient of phi is equal to dou phi by dou x into I bar plus dou phi by dou y into j bar plus dou phi by dou z into k bar. We require the partial derivatives of phi with respect to x, y and z. Initially, dou phi by dou x is 3x square plus 3yz. Dou phi by dou y is 3y square plus 3zx. Dou phi by dou z is 3xy. So, gradient of phi now becomes 3x square plus 3yz into I bar plus 3y square plus 3zx into j bar plus 3xy into k bar. Let's discuss another problem. Find gradient of fr where f is a function of r and r is the magnitude of the vector r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. We know that gradient of fr is equal to dou by dou x of fr into I bar plus dou by dou y of fr into j bar plus dou by dou z of fr into k bar. We also know that r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here f is a function of r is a function of x, y, z. So, while determining partial derivatives, we apply the function of function rule. Initially, dou by dou x of fr is equal to d by dr of fr into dou r by dou x or f dash r into x by r. Why dou r by dou x is x by r? Dou r by dou x means dou by dou x of square root of x square plus y square plus z square, or it is 1 by 2 root x square plus y square plus z square into 2x, or it is x by r. By symmetry, we will be able to write dou by dou y of fr is equal to f dash r into y by r. Dou by dou z of fr is equal to f dash r into z by r. Now, gradient of fr is, after substituting these quantities, f dash r into x by r into I bar plus f dash r into y by r into j bar plus f dash r into z by r into k bar. F dash r by r can be taken common, so that the remaining is f dash r by r into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Or we can further write it as f dash r by r into r bar. Here is another problem. If theta is the acute angle between the surfaces xy square z is equal to 3x plus z square and 3x square minus y square plus 2z is equal to 1 at the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, show that cos theta is equal to 3 by 7 times root 6. Let us take f of xyz is equal to xy square z minus 3x minus z square. g of xyz is equal to 3x square minus y square plus 2z minus 1. By angle between the surfaces, we mean angle between their normals, or angle between the surfaces at 1, minus 2, 1 will be the angle between their normals at that point. Let us denote n1 bar, or let n1 bar, n2 bar be the unit outward normals to the two given surfaces. F is equal to constant and G is equal to constant. So n1 bar will be gradient of F divided by magnitude of gradient of F evaluated at the point 1, minus 2, 1. N2 bar is gradient of G divided by magnitude of gradient of G evaluated at 1, minus 2, 1. Let us initially find gradient of F. It is y square z minus 3 into I bar plus 2xyz into j bar plus xy square minus 2z into k bar. Magnitude of gradient of F at 1, minus 2, 1 is, substituting for xyz the values 1, minus 2, 1, we get I bar minus 4j bar plus 2k bar. Magnitude of gradient of F at 1, minus 2, 1 becomes square root of 1 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to root 21. Then n1 bar will be I bar minus 4j bar plus 2k bar divided by square root of 21. Now let us consider gradient of G. Gradient of G is 6x into I bar minus 2y into j bar plus 2k bar. So gradient of G at 1, minus 2, 1 becomes 6i bar plus 4j bar plus 2k bar. Follows magnitude of gradient of G at 1, minus 2, 1 is equal to square root of 6 square means 36 plus 4 square means 16 plus 2 square means 4 is equal to root 56. Now theta is the angle, acute angle that is given. So cos theta is equal to modulus of n1 bar dot n2 bar. We know how to find out dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors. So therefore we get modulus of 6 minus 16 plus 4 divided by square root of 21 into 56. 7 and 3 are the factors for 21, 7 and 8 are the factors for 56. So numerator is modulus of minus 6 divided by 7 times square root of 24. After cancelling 1, 2 from numerator and denominator, we get 3 divided by 7 root 6.